Juliet, I'm not sure I can do this. Just being ahead.
But there's a lot of cool things about being ahead. First of all, I can put you in a bag and sneak you into movies for free!
That hardly makes up for...
Carpal tunnel syndrome? You're immune. And it's totally cool. I'm like the only girl with a decapitated head for a boyfriend.
I don't want to be a fashion accessory, Juliet. This is my life. Is that rain?
Uh-oh.
Lots of tasty treats for you here, eh, you mill?
I'm guessing a giant floating Viking ship is not a good thing.
Another dark purveyor. Oh my gosh. That's my big sister, Cordelia.
Who?
My big sister, Cordelia. She's a zombie hunter, too.
Really?
Hey! Cordelia! Can you hear me? Hey! What's up, Juliet?
Hey, Cordelia! What's up?
See you in a few! Right now, I'm gonna go kick some zombie ass! Oh yeah! I almost forgot! Happy birthday! Can't hear you!
God, I'm happy I don't have a bladder. Otherwise I'd be pissing myself right now.
Ten foot fuck!
Check out this new trick, Nick. It's called the Chainsaw Dash.
Where to now?
Most importantly, I want to find my birthday present my sister dropped. Secondly, I want to save my sister's life.
Well, you have your priorities straight.
I know! Yay! Let's get to the roof of the school and find that floaty boat. Explosions are such a cliche.
Felt that in my spinal stub.
Aw, man, our quarterback's a zombie.
Kill him anyway.
Hey, short! There's Major League!
Hey, look, it's the World Series of Lame.
I hate it when everyone turns into zombies, but it's also kind of fun because I get to do stuff like jump on a fire truck.
It is fun! It makes me forget that most of my friends are dead. Be careful, Juliet. This place is falling apart.
Time to shop! Click, click! That's it, that's it! Well?
No!
You're gonna be fine, ma'am!
Whoa, it's like backdraft with rabies.
Hold on, victim dude, I'm coming to help.
I need a girlfriend.
What's your favorite color, Nick?
Blue? No, green.
Awesome! I love learning about you.
I fucked up. It's yellow.
I'm gonna fist my ass with your head!
All these small fires are dangerous, but kind of atmospheric and romantic. Don't you think, Nick?
Yeah, but I think we need to stay focused.
I know. Wasn't like I was gonna make out with you or something.
I didn't know what you meant.
Do you want to have babies someday, Nick?
I think that's rather irrelevant, considering my situation.
I don't know. We could take a skin sample and put it in a petri dish and use magic to grow a baby.
Well, maybe.
Cool! There's a 50% chance it will be a cannibal.
Joey, battle yes!
Let's pop you on this. What? Awesome, Nick. You're the best.
Let me take care of this, Juliet. I'll just raise my fist and ah!
8.
Yes! I use magic. So how long have you been a zombie hunter?
Forever. I killed my first zombie at 6 months old with a sharpened rattle.
We're here to help you! You're gonna be fine!
I saved a cat from a tree.
That's the parachute from Cordelia's present. Shopping just makes me feel better about myself. Time to shop! Click, click! I found something! Well? Time for Chainsaw Dash again!
Drive carefully, okay?
Strawberry is my favorite! Alright!
Incredible!
Cool!
Juliet, you have to be careful.
I'll show you another trick Sensei taught me, Nick. It's called the Big Jump. Hold on!
Hold on with what?
Zombie basketball. Time your killing of zombies. How many points can you rack up?
You're hogging my glory!
It seems like a one-sided game.
Cool, I'm great at basketball. Let's put the round thing in the goalpost, Nick.
3 points.
That's a basket.
Nice shot. Fantastic.
Where'd all those rainbow thingies when you cut a zombie in half come from?
From awesome.
Fantastic. Nice shot. Nice shot. 1 minute left. Nice shot. 3 points. 3 points. Fantastic. Fantastic. Nice shot. Fantastic. Wow, what a turnaround. The zombies are getting slaughtered. Incredible game, Juliet. Can't wait to see you in action again.
Another big jump. Hold on with your teeth, Nick.
Okay,
Ow! You bit my butt!
sorry. Running zombies? Fucking stupid.
Yeah, what kind of idiot would come up with that?
Give me money! Where are my beautiful grandchildren?
and really fat. Check this out. What the dick is going on with all this crazy stuff?
What the dick?
It's my new phrase I invented. Do you like it?
Go, die, zombie scum! Ready? Okay. I'm dead, we all suck, and we are great. GD, decapitate. UGLY, wake up, it's time to die.
Oh no! My squad has joined the zombies!
God, Agnes used to be so hot. Now she has an intestine coming out of her vagina. Ugh. Holy, we better get out of here.
Okay, that was sad killing my friends, but also so fun!
I need another tampon.
Oh my god! Easter egg! Oh.
Girls in Kenya have big butts.
Lame. Whoops. Time to shop. What should I get? I found something. Well,
Juliet, it's Cordelia. Just a tip, sis, but you're moving around too much as you hunt zombies. From a distance, use your homing attack. When they get close, rush in for the kill. It's kind of common hunter knowledge, but you know.
Nick, it would be really cool if I could implant an MP3 player in your forehead. A boyfriend and an iPod all in one. More room in my purse.
You realize that's completely degrading, right? Yes!
One.
Oh, feels great to have legs again, even if they are really slow.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bomber, you're so fast. My man Nick will F your ass. Oh my God, Nick. That was so hot. Big jump! Woohoo!
Ah! I hate this! They're right that lightning doesn't strike twice. It strikes like 18 times.
Firefighters to the rescue. We'll rescue everyone!
I feel like singing It's Raining Men.
That would be funny, Nick. Time to kill these efforts. It is, Nick.
Well, I hope it's a torso and legs and stuff, not a dick.
I see the ship.
Nice jump. Oh, I can't wait for you to shoot the fuck out of stuff with this.
Cordelia is like the best big sister ever. Chainsaw Blaster!
Zombie baseball. Aim and shoot at the approaching zombies. Can you score a winning home run? The game starts with the home team losing by an overwhelming amount of runs.
Awesome.
Ah! You shot him instead of throwing a ball at him. That's hilarious. Ah!
Sweet
you shot him instead of throwing a ball at him. That's hilarious.
Sweet shot.
Bottom of the ninth, Juliet Starling at bat.
Looks like they want to play ball. Rod!
Here I go!
Woo! You're not getting in the way of my Nick.
I'll Ted Williams your face.
Sweet. Awesome.
It's a home run.
Zombie feats don't fail me now.
What does mean?
Wow! Pop it! Woo! Awesome! Neat. Rad! Okay!
Build it!
Cool! Awesome! Yay!
Oh my God, that's
Your goal. Go!
Wowza, home run.
fuck yes, I rule.
I should have been team captain. All right. Cool. Rad. Woohoo! Sweet. Rad. Awesome. Looking good.
Loving it.
Pop it. Woo! It's a party.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yes.
Neat.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yes! Victory! Looks like zombie baseball has its own Babe Ruth, and she's a real babe.
I should do this all day, but I think we better move on.
Yeah, I guess we should find my sister.
I think the ship went over to the school's unrealistically gigantic swimming pool.
Totally. Let's go.
Juliet, Mom, can you believe Cordelia wants to buy a motorcycle? Oh, there's no way. Those things are death traps. Bad enough your dad has one, and the same goes for you.
God, I love shopping. There it is! There it is! I found something! What should I get? Let's go! on you. No, Cordelia. That's just my boyfriend, Nick.
Oh, hey, Cordelia. How's it going?
Hey, he's cute.
Thanks.
Ouch.
The whole no body thing is cool. I wouldn't have to worry about gaining weight. Food would just fall out of my neck.
OMG! Then I wouldn't be as gross and fat as I am now.
I don't want chewed food falling out of my neck. That's disgusting.
Bye-bye, Straley! Onward to further victory!
Juliet, execute maneuver 54B. Right. 1, 2, 3! Good luck, sis! And you too, cute head boyfriend whose name I forget. If it isn't the Pirates of the Jerkopian!
You've got a lot of gall setting foot on my ship, Stelpa.
Getting a little seasick.
All right, boys. Ymir, let's cut this bit into bite-sized chunks. I'm gonna use her stairs to make a hat, and use her spine as a back scratcher. Let's show her the Viking way! Ha 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 ha! We are Viking short and stout. We like to drink and fuck, fuck, fuck. Ho ho! Ha ha! Ha ha!
What's this then?
Use the blaster!
Now it's mine.
Electrocution would be a sucky end to my day. This lightning is fucked up.
Oh, you got a lot of gall, little girl. Don't tell me that's it.
Oh, great. Double our fucking trouble. What's with the drums? What is he, auditioning for Stomp 2 or something? So loud and obnoxious.
What's this then? Now it's mine. Pretty cool. What's this?
I feel the power of the gods in my blood!
This lightning is fucked up.
Pretty cool.
He's like my big asshole head brother. Yes, it's time! Finish him!
I hear Viking brains are good for the complexion.
This bites my non-existent balls.